One of the best feelings in the world is knowing that someone is happy because of you. I am thankful for so many things in my life, but I am most thankful for God. Without Him, I would have nothing else to be thankful for. Putting your phone away and paying attention to those talking to you. There is an app for that, it is called respect. People need to learn that their actions do affect other people. So be careful what you say and do. It is not always just about you. Everyone changes when they meet other people better than you. Think twice before you trust. If your dreams don't scare you, they are too small. Life to express, not to impress. We need to accept that we won't always make the right decisions. Understanding that failure is not the opposite of success, it is part of success. The secret of your future is hidden in your daily routine. If you get tired, learn to rest, not to quit. If they say it's impossible for them, not for you. It's hard to beat a person who never gives up. Smart people learn from everything and everyone. Satisfaction lies in the effort, not in the attainment. Full effort is full victory. A good education is a foundation for a better future. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. If you are not willing to learn, no one can help you. If you are determined to learn, no one can stop you. The harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. A dream becomes a goal when action is taken towards its achievement. What is matters most is how well you walk through the fire. Your life is your story, write well, edit often. The expert in everything was once a beginner. It always seems impossible until it's done. Work until you no longer have to introduce yourself. Don't wait for opportunity, create it. Stop dreaming, start doing. Today is your opportunity to build the tomorrow you want. Your future is created by what you do today, not tomorrow. What people think about you is not important. What you think about yourself means important. See yourself as a king before people can believe in you. If you keep them busy with basic needs, they will forget about the freedom they lost. Not every shot will be a winning shot, but every shot will take you closer to the winning shot. A gram of action is better than a ton of words. Teachers open the door, but you must enter by yourself. The truly intelligent person is the one who can pretend to be a fool in front of fools who pretend to be intelligent. Intelligence is like an underwear. It is important that you have it, but not necessary that you show it off. If you define the problems correctly, you almost have the solution. Make it a habit to respect people without knowing their qualifications, title or position. The ability to observe without judgment is one of the highest forms of intelligence.